Hello my dear students. So let's finish this manufacturing industries chapter. In previous video we have discussed all about agro based industries. Now these are mineral based industries. Raw material from mineral or metal. Obviously when we are getting the raw material from any mineral, that particular industry which is using input from the minerals is called mineral based industry, like iron and steel industry, aluminium smelting. We have already done it. So in detail we are going to study about iron and steel industry, which is very important. The most important industry, which is also called basic industry, we have already done this also in classification, because all other industries depend on it for their machinery. If machines will be there in industries, only then industries will work, right? So for the machines, every industry is dependent upon iron and steel industry. That's why it is called basic or key industry, because other industries depend upon iron and steel industry, right? So raw material, iron ore, coal and limestone in proportion to 4:2:1. Then famous location of it is Chota Nagpur Plateau, because of cheaply available raw material and labor. We have done it so many times. Then challenges: irregular power supply, low labor productivity, high cost of cooking coal, poor infrastructure. Same points are being repeated. I already told you in geography, you just need to be organized. आपको लर्न करना है, फैक्ट्स बहुत हैं और फैक्ट्स को कॉन्सेप्ट्स की तरह एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया जा सकता, बट आई हैव ट्राइड माय बेस्ट टू मेक इट easiest for you. Okay, so aluminium smelting, good conductor, malleable and strong, then used making aircrafts, wires and utensils. Raw material used for this is bauxite. West Bengal and Odisha, the main location. Then chemical industry, rapid growth nowadays because we are using chemicals so much. Sulfuric products used, sulfuric acid, nitric acid or synthetic fiber, plastic products. It contributes 3% of GDP. Fertilizer industry, products nitrogenous fertilizers, you know, green revolution. For it we are dependent upon fertilizer industry, that's why it is growing with rapid speed. Raw material, potash, totally imported good, which we are importing from other countries. Got a boost after green revolution. India has become third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizers. Then cement industry, for constructional activities, you know, cement is required. So raw material is silica, limestone, aluminium, used for construction purpose. Then first cement plant in 1904 in Chennai, it was established. Automobile industry, you know, on the road. Okay, nowadays we have a great rush of cars, buses, trucks and all. India has 30 plus automobile industries, mainly in Delhi, Gurugram and Pune. Then information and technological industry, products related TV, mobile, laptops. Now see online teachings, so much requirement of information and technological industry. Got a boost when there was hardware and software development, and nowadays after lockdown. So Bangalore is electronic capital of India. I hope you understood. In case you feel any doubt, you may comment me in comment box. And the last portion of this chapter is related to industrial pollution, and which I think students of 10th are capable to just read and understand air pollution and other. But just focus on one thing. They are talking about industrial pollution. Don't go for other points other than industrial. Okay, God bless you. In my next lecture we will complete our last chapter of geography, and geography will be completed. Thank you so much.